Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne. Today we're going to learn colours. Today is episode 5 of the BSL Sign Language Level 1 syllabus. Colours are easy to learn. Very straightforward. If you haven't had a look at my previous videos, I'll link them up here for you. I have got 4 videos where you learn BSL. I'm here to help you learn for free. Free, okay? So you're going to learn for free, and I'm here to help you because there's scams on the internet about learning BSL where you have to pay to learn, when on YouTube you can learn for free. My videos are every week on a Saturday morning at 10 in the morning. Today's video we're going to learn colours. Ready? First. Red. It's your lips. Okay, your red lips. Sorry boy, did I wake you? Snoring. Red. Okay, it's your lips. Just think of that. White. Your teeth are white. Green. Think of it as the grass is growing up, so you've got a green lawn. Okay, green. It's going from your hand up. And there, think of the soil, the grass, so it's green. Blue. Think of your veins. Blue. Okay, there's 3 fingers on your wrist. Blue. Green, blue. Brown. Yellow. Again, you got the mouth. Yeah, yellow. Okay, so it's just the Y. If you remember X, Y, Z, yellow. Pink. Down your nose. Pink. And don't forget to say the words as well. Pink. Orange. Think if you have an orange in your hand and you're squeezing the orange. Orange. Forget, again, your mouth. Orange. Purple. Again, say the word and it's 2 syllables. Purple. So you're flicking the top of your finger, making the P. Purple. See it? Purple. Black. From your ear down your jawline. Black. Gold. So you got the G or the G. You can see I've been doing homeschooling. The G. Gold. Right? Just think of it. Gold gems and then just sparkle away. Okay. Gold. Silver. You got the S. Silver. Okay. Silver. Gold. Silver. Okay. Should we run through those colours again? Red. Blue. Green. Brown. yellow, pink, purple, orange, white, black, gold, silver. Okay, again, red, blue, green, brown, yellow, pink, purple, orange, gold, silver, black, white. Because this video short, we are going to learn also animals. Okay, animals. Alligator, alligator. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Elephant. So you got the trunk. Elephant. Frog. Big neck on the frog. No, frog. Gorilla. Gorilla. Horse. Horse. Or horse. Okay, it's somebody sitting on the horse. Horse. Okay. Lion. Lion. Penguin. It's so obvious, isn't it? Penguin. Lovely. Rabbit. Rabbit. Snake. Snake. Bird. Bird. Whale. Think of its tail coming out. Whale. Fish. Now, let me stop you there. Fish. Okay. Fish that you eat. Fish. Okay. Chips. We will do food later, but I just want to clear. Fish that's actually going to be on your plate is fish. Okay, on your chin, thumb, fish. If it's swimming and it's alive and it's not on your plate, it's fish. Okay, fish. Fish, food, fish. Okay. Zebra. So you're just drawing the stripes across you. Zebra. Okay, cat. Dog. Horse. Or horse, like you're holding the reins. Horse. Don't get confused between adopt and horse. Hamster. Hamster. Think of it putting all its food in your cheeks. Hamster. Bird. Bird. Right, again you've got the which, why, aeroplane. Cow. Cow. Pig. Think of its nose. Pig. Okay. Don't forget to say the words as you're signing them. It makes it clear for somebody else to see. Okay, pig. Guinea. Pig. Guinea. So you've got the G. Guinea. Pig. Crocodile and alligator. Okay, the either one. Crocodile, alligator. But basically you've got the snap. Remember, fish, fish. Okay, plate, because it's going to your mouth. Plate, fish swimming. Sheep, little fingers, bad fingers. Sheep. Just think of the horns. Sheep. So should we run through those again? Alligator, crocodile, either one, virtually the same, okay? One, the other one, okay? Crocodile's got bigger teeth, so you could use that one for the crocodile. Lion. Think of its beautiful mane. Oh, so cuddly. Bear. Bear. Teddy bear. Duck, bird. Duck, bird. Pig. Guinea pig. Chicken. Cat. Dog. Cow. Sheep. No, I haven't got my thumbs for the sheep, okay? Sheep. But I have got it for the cow. Rabbit. 2 fingers. Ears. Rabbit. Hamster. My fingers are clicking. Awful. Snake. Snake. Bear. Bear. Teddy bear. Okay. Elephant. So you're going from like a C on your nose. Elephant. Gorilla. Panda. Oh, I love that one. Panda. Horse. Horse. Fish. Ooh. Remembered. Monkey. Monkey. Oh, this is such a good picture for a thumbnail, really. Monkey. Use that. Monkey. Oh, sorry, I'm going to watch myself, obviously, to make sure I'm in the shot. Oh, bad. Rabbit. Rabbit. Snake. Oh, yeah. Turtle. Turtle. It's 2 hands on top of each other. I forgot all about that. Turtle. Okay? Can you see? Just move your thumbs. Turtle. Whale. So you're crossing your hands over, bring them into you and fold them out. Whale. It's a big tail. Whale. Whale. Zebra. Zebra. Thank you, all of you, for watching my BSL Sign Language video today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on your notification bell so you're notified every Wednesday and Sunday when I upload a cleaning video. And on a Saturday, it is at 10 a.m. I will be uploading the BSL Sign Language. Goodness me, how on earth can I get tongue-tied with sign language? Follow me on Instagram. So that I can grow my channel. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed, because today I am at 293 subscribers. I know there's a video coming out later on. This is on at 270, so I've done fantastic. But I wouldn't have subscribers if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Next week we will probably do question words as well as foods. So be sure to come back next week and check it out. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe. Update on my COVID-19. Update on my COVID. We're doing fantastic. We're not grounded anymore. Fantastic. But obviously, because I film my videos in advance, you're not going to find that out until a week and a half later. But my sign language videos today is, wow, it's Tuesday already. And this video is going up on Saturday, which will be today when you're watching it. So yeah, we're all good. I'm still testing positive, but apparently I need to isolate and for 10 to 14 days, which that is already up and done. My daughter has tested negative, so we're doing well. Anyway, that's just a little bit of a COVID update for you. Feeling really good. Still got a headache. Taste is coming back. Smell is yeah. And my editing manager, as you can see there, is still sleeping. Oh, sorry, did I wake you? Sorry, boy. Okay, guys, stay safe, and I will see you next week. Look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe, make some good choices, and I will see you soon. Take care. See you. Bye.